Abusia, aya enseya abamonte so chese ahimbia no. Aya EC boss Jane Mensa ene ni two deputies. No. Aya dey say omo na ebe conduct aya 2028. Aya elections ne ana because ye need to say emra NDC ebetina so aya petitions awodo a chese omo ede koi efa eyeye maame na anaje no abusia ensem bi aba emonti ya ebobohwe na yakotie ensem se de sitie ne bi aba
omo no be conduct the 2028 elections no ana because ye nyina ye hu se petitions ahodo ebaye to remove EC chair Madam Jane Mensa any two deputies na asemwe ebaye to tene omo se Ghana for bebre na no na ensem no omo they were interested na asem no kopie mu no ene ba ne said that be petitions ya omo de baye etia EC chair no sa petition no o ma bora to egu a still aminu ka say die yenim say Madam Jane Mensa ena EC chair a se ba no any by election and election bia ewo Ghana mai mo no ena ebe conduct na new one asan ba say I'm passing ye yi EC chair ana and nebusia for ensem no meka kosia eho ena so obeti ana wenya more detailed information was ensem na ebusia for petitions awodo ekọ ese ya meka ene ho na global info analytics eka se asema akoso ide ebi nsi wo Ghana especially se wa ban wo so na aban fufuro ehu nipa ewo aban mu still eye adwuma no it is so easy to remove that person so na be ya aban no wo so ni hu nipa ense ba ko hye sa position no na wa ye adwuma no that is what I know ebusia for wan so be je di se eyesa ene wo nti abra gamampanyi eba ya na se ndisi aban ba ne ne ka se Madam Jane Mensa die ye be yi ni efi akonwa so even OSP kra no ye ka se enyi ni to no OSP ni EC chair ne ankofo bi mu ne de omo petitions ekoye na ebusianfo CJ na ono asem no koye na owie de or reject ye na global info analytics de aba de survey bi aba se survey eba ni se majority of Ghanaians no support CJ on dismissal of petition against EC. I'm saying adia ba for boni ono Chief Justice no to petitions no mo de buy no or dismiss no against the EC no omani ajiye pa say 47% of respondents agree with the Chief Justice's ruling that there was no justification to proceed with the process, while 30% disagreed. Into 47, 30%, and 23 day. Omede omusi boye yede dia muka no say nsuo see a table so anasem entokoko maye no so mo kan. Nti according to omo no hwe survey na 47% no response ni say okay omo so mo ni say Madam Jane Mensa enye boni bia onu enam so se etwe na so si ebeyi ni efi na konyomu as the EC chair enti omo de mo na 30% say that be was some EC chair because before the elections niama ekoso ewo my Ghana mu complaints awodo baye ende kaka ho baye nyina no ade ana emu eduye pa enti no omo chese omo de 30% no de say Chief Justice no wanya de ba for boni anya de krakrakrakrakrak na nka wo se omutimi ma nsem ne ekoduru enim na yeyi EC chair ebusanfo mama nka nsem ne kakra emonzo say majority of Ghanaians support CJ on dismissal of petitions against EC the EC chair. The recent survey conducted by Global Info Analytics has revealed that nearly half of the Ghanaian voters support the decision of the Chief Justice Paul Bafo-Boni to dismiss petitions seeking the removal of Electoral Commission Chair Jane Mensa and her two deputies, according to the poll shared by the Executive Director Musa Dankwa. 47% of respondents agreed with the Chief Justice's ruling that there was no justification to proceed with the process, while 30% disagreed and 23% had no opinions. On the petition to the President to dismiss the Jane Mensa the chair of the Electoral Commission, and her deputy, Dr. Bosman Asari. The deputy chair of the commission, 47% of voters agree with the decision by the Chief Justice, who found no justification to proceed with the process to remove the chair. 30% of voters, however, disagree, while 23% did not have an opinion, Musa Dakwa stated. The survey also showed strong cross-party support for the decision. It indicated that among New Patriotic Party voters, 39% agree, while 59% of National Democratic Congress supporters backed the ruling, despite some party leaders advocating for the removal of the EC official. Wow, that is quite interesting. Because I was here for politics there. Politics. Na emu uyobi for no reason na insem ewo ho. Enti se Kofi enya me party ni. Nti me pese me bedi ade enti me ka no ho nsem boni abra me nim se me onye nya me kan se ne be obefi so ba eni ti aban a kire se they are not being favorite and they are not doing favorite. Omonya favoritism enya say I nipa we onye me hu nipa nti dia me ya me se ni bia no me ye enye sa ena say aban we eye nti wo hwe survey ne kra na emu kire mu say NDC for dodo na ene eye the happiness to say easy chair enkoso an entina ko because she NCA for her to be dismissed with the deputies senior CJ Ekan. Jomusi voters also agree, contrary to what some of their party leaders have advocated. Floating voters, however, largely sided with the Chief Justice, with 48% expressing agreement. Global Info Analytics noted that the result indicates a broad consensus among the electorate, suggesting that public opinion may differ significantly for partisan positions expressed by political leaders. Or very, very true. Sena mekane eba ne party asema enu ye different national issues because say me I'm not direct to NDC, you are not direct to MPP. Why would you see something wrong with someone who is doing their job perfectly? Dabi, you will not see anything in regards to that or something like that. According to Musa Dankwa no who say party insem any Ghana ansem two different things. Definitely no opinions no ebe vary and that opinions no ebe different. Into someone say President John Dramani Mahama on the advice of the Chief Justice of Ghana dismissed multiple petitions calling for the removal of the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana, her deputies, and the office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP. A total of 10 petitions were submitted to President Mahama for the removal of EC chairperson Jane Mensah and her deputies, as well as the Special Prosecutor Kisi Ejaben, and were forwarded to Chief Justice Paul Balfour Boni. Instead for no eneka yen hwese ampeni ampano ebetimi Jane Mensah ebetimi EC chair akwa si 2028 abebe conducting new election and I say we dey omo dey prapra na ni keke but the right time no